Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I decorated for November, the month and the weekly spread. So go ahead and put it on November. Okay, so here's the divider here for November. So here's the month, and of course I had to make it a Thanksgiving theme. So for November, let's see, I have two of my friends' birthday, my brother's birthday. We have no school on Veterans Day. Frozen 2 comes out, and then the last week, we get the whole week off. So it's a very short month when it comes to work. I think I only counted 15 days of work. Um, so yeah, super excited, and this is how it looks. So here's the first week of November. I went ahead and did it like a sweater cozy theme. I used some of the girls stickers. And then this one, a scarecrow theme. This washi I've had since, I don't know, a few years from Target. And then the week Frozen comes out, of course, it had to be a Frozen theme. So this washi is from Target, Michaels. Looks like that. And then the last week, of course, is Thanksgiving, so Thanksgiving theme. So yeah, like always, guys, let me know which one is your favorite week. I have to say, one of my favorites, it's this one, the Scarecrow. Well, of course, all of them. Frozen, of course. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. So thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.